They see the finish line, the moment we arrive, when the cleaning has been completed. Another first world problem solved. That satisfying click, the ding, the thumbs up, the moment of job well done. And yeah, that part's absolutely fantastic. But what they don't see, the hours, the endless hours, the traffic, the marketing, and the bad customers, the traffic lights that stop and go, the passing slideshow of buildings every single day. Then setting up, again and again and again. Every job, a new location, a new setup, unpacking, organizing, prepping. It's repetitive. Let's just say it's very repetitive indeed. And then there are the customers that hide behind shallow blinds. Oh my. No drinks or smiles on those ones, bless them. But then you get that moment where it all comes together, and sanity finally pulls through. That moment of clarity when you hear the words, "Thank you," said appreciatingly by many customers. Another job well done. And then suddenly the traffic, the setup, the same routine again. It fades, it blurs, it would drive anyone round the bend. But that divine moment, it's only 1 second, but that's what makes it worth it. That's what keeps you going. A friendly face showing appreciation for who you are and what you have done. A beautiful and genuine smile. Because behind every successful service, there's a story. A story of patience, persistence, and a whole lot of traffic. And occasionally a nightmare customer who is hell-bent on making up the rules as they go along. But that's here nor there to a customer. It's the unseen work, the unglamorous grind. But it's the foundation that makes that final job well done, so well done. Don't turn a blind eye. Support your local trades. The small businesses and the brave self-employed depend on your support. Help, contribute towards communities that work together. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes that work us apart. Because at the end of the day, a real influencer is that guy down the road who drives past every day. The ones who can fix your leaky plumbing. Or the other guys over the road who can keep your family safe through testing your gas appliances. And perhaps that couple cleaning all those windows in UPVC. They're not out to sell you a dream, they help build it. And, let's be honest, those dreams usually come with way more traffic than what we experience day to day. Have an open mind about what really goes on out there. And if you know how to teleport, be sure to let us know in the comments.
Darling, we're like fireflies stuck inside of this jar. Watching light slowly put out this fire in our hearts. We've got to escape. We've got to get free. Or this glass jar's gonna get the best of you and me. It's no wonder God put these wandering souls inside. So let's break our bread, cut our ties. The open road has sent us an invite. We can sell our house, but our money hit the road. Just you and me, honey, we can't make it to Reno by tonight. Change our names, disappear, make it look like we were never really here. We could go off the grid tonight. 'Cause fireflies were born to shine, to shine. Oh, we'll leave town with nothing but the clothes on our back. We need all that stuff and our things like we need a good heart attack. 'Cause all of the things they tell us what to do, we gotta mow our lawns, we gotta pay our dues.